Welcome. In this session, we'll talk about the hospital management paper of CUET PG 2025, dimension of the health. The next is the specialty of family practice is designed as a primary care. Now, primary care is the first stage of service which is provided by a physician, and this type of care is the foundation for any healthcare system to exist. Now, primary care includes health promotion, disease prevention, maintaining health, counseling and patient education. Then there is secondary care, tertiary care and quaternary care. Quaternary care is specialized medicine or extension of tertiary care. Tertiary care is the specialized services for complex or rare conditions, and secondary care is referral from the primary care which goes to the secondary care. Now these kind of questions are really important standards which could be used. Now smallpox vaccine was discovered by Edward Jenner, and this was back in 1796, and this was considered as the world's first vaccine for smallpox which was released. And it was seen that Jenner observed that the milkmaids who had previously contracted with cowpox were immune to smallpox, and then he inoculated a young boy with the cowpox material and found the results which protected him from smallpox. And later on this study came into existence. Then there was the foundation for modern immunology which was developed. Louis Pasteur was known for his germ theory. Reed was known for discovery of yellow fever. Lind was known for discovery of scurvy. So various scientists and their associated fields have been there, so you must be familiar with those. The next is in which year urban leprosy control program was started. Now this was in 2005, and it was to address the complex structure of a huge population, the poor infrastructure that exists, and higher number of leprosy cases in urban areas. Factors like high population density, migration and inadequate healthcare were some of the issues that were left unaddressed. So if you want to go into more details on hospital management, you can simply go on to the COQP 22 course, and this gives you a complete coverage on video lectures, study materials and practice questions for your CUET PG examination. You can avail all those content at exam PYQ. Thanks for joining. Have a great day.